In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Cuphead on your PC. So Cuphead is a classical run-and-gun action game primarily focused on boss battles. Inspired by the cartoons of 1930s, the visuals and audio are carefully created with the same techniques of the era. So in order to download this game, first of all, what you want to do is you're just going to go ahead and open any browser in your system, and then you're going to type into the search box for Steam, and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here different links on your screen. As you can see here, the first link we have is welcome to Steam, which is from the official website. So you're just going to click on that. As you can see here, this is the interface of Steam. And if you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here this search box. So you're going to click on this search box and then just type in here the name of your game over here, which is Cuphead. After that, you can just hit enter and then you will be able to see here a list of different games. As you can see here, we got our game at the top of this list. Once you're here, what you want to do is you're just going to scroll down until you see this option add to cart. So you're going to click on add to cart and then you will be redirected to a new page. Then you're just going to click on view my carts. And as you can see here, this is all of the items which are in your cart. In my case, it's only one game, which is Cuphead. So after that, you can just click on continue to payment. Once you do that, they're going to ask you to sign in into your Steam account. Once you're signed in into your account, they're going to provide you with different methods that how you want to pay for this game. As you can see here, you got PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and many more. So you're just going to choose here your favorite payment method, and after that, you can just enter here all of your payment information. Once you have done it, you can just scroll down over here and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be bought and then added to your library. And from there, you can just play your game.